In the field of earth science, weather can be a difficult concept for many students to grasp. We feel that the easiest way for our students to understand the weather would be to actively engage in a project that allows them to obtain information on the current weather conditions, as well as the different tools and techniques used to monitor the weather. Our students will then use this information to create a live weather broadcast to be presented to the entire school every day for a week.
Prior to beginning this project, students will be placed in small groups and asked to create a concept map or web of ideas based on their current knowledge of the weather. This may include, but is not limited to, the types of weather, the effects weather may have upon nature, the different types of clouds and the indicators that go along with them, and the different tools used in modern-day weather monitoring. The creation of pre-project concept map will allow the students to explore the concepts which they may presently struggle with.
In order to gain an understanding of the different types of weather around the world, along with how seasons differ throughout the hemispheres, students will be video conferencing with a class in Australia. Students will also create a blog within their groups to communicate with each other as well as the students from Australia. By doing this, they will generate ideas about the weather occurring in Michigan and how it compares to weather happening across the world. When reporting to the class in Australia, students will have to know and understand the weather that is happening around them. They will also explore the weather that typically occurs in their given area.
In order for students to gather specific weather data, they'll be provided with modern forecasting equipment such as airspeed indicators, barometers, and rain catchers. The students will also participate in class-wide discussions on the different aspects of earth science, including reading a map and identifying clouds. As an expansion to this project, students will participate in lessons focusing on singular aspects of the weather, such as data gathering on average rainfall or wind speed. The aspects of data gathering provides a connection to the mathematics curriculum by introducing spreadsheets and averages. Students will also be instructed on how to properly read and interpret data on a graph.
At the conclusion of this project, student groups will be asked to create a final concept map that integrates what they have learned throughout the course of this unit. Our hope is that the students will not only generate new concepts on weather, but expand upon what they already know.